Today I'm going to show you how to replace a screw on the Herbst appliance if you have a screw come out and the Herbst arm is loose. You're going to get an Allen wrench to take home with your instruction sheet. If for any reason you lost that and you don't have it, but you have Allen wrenches at home, it's the smallest one within your set of Allen wrenches. And then if you still have the screw, what you'll do is you'll take the Allen wrench and put it in the head of the screw. And if you take a look at the Herbst arm, there is a flatter side over here, and there's a curved side where the head of the screw is going to rest. The flat side is going to go towards your Herbst appliance and your tooth. You will take the screw and just thread it through both those little joints and just keep going clockwise until it's nice and tight, and you are good to go. If for any reason you lose the screw and you can't find it anymore, what you can do is just undo the screw from the opposite side to help make yourself comfortable so that it's not flopping around until you can come get it fixed. And keep all the parts and just bring those to us. Another common thing that can happen with the Herbst is one of the crowns can come loose from the appliance over time. If that ever happens, just like in the previous video, you would unscrew the screws from both sides so that you can slide the crown out comfortably. If this happens, you're also going to want to remove the arm from the other side as well, just so it does not keep moving things until you can come in and get everything repaired.